Today I'm going to show you how to make your own hexatessellation using the GeoGebra program. So first we're going to talk a little bit about what a tessellation is. And tessellations are created by a shape or design repeated over and over again, covering up a whole plane without any gaps or overlaps. A rotation is spinning the pattern around a point, rotating it, and around that point, the object is moved in a circular fashion around a central point. Okay, and here are some facts about tessellations. Tessellations were first used in about 4000 BC. Tessellations are often used in tiling and mosaics. Tessellations in nature include honeycombs and flowers. How to make a tessellation. First, you're going to click the Start button in the bottom left of your screen and then the GeoGebra program. You'll have to download the GeoGebra program from the GeoGebra website, but if you already have it downloaded, it should be in the Start program. So I'm going to show you how you can make art with math and you'll love the outcome. So next you're going to, when GeoGebra is open, you're going to click the axis button, so it'll remove the axis and you'll have a blank screen to work with. Then you're going to click the Create a Regular Polygon button. It'll be fourth from the left. When a screen pops up, you'll make 2 points. They'll show up as point A and point B, and a box will pop up, and when that appears you'll type in 6 and that'll create your hexagon. It'll be a regular hexagon, which is needed for a tessellation, which is all sides and all angles are equal. Next, you're going to select the pen tool. It's the third from the right. You can use any color, but black is the best for this type of project, and it's just easier. With the pen tool, draw a random design from point A to point F. Now you're going to select the rotate around 1 point button, and that'll be the fourth from the right. So you'll click on your drawing and it should highlight a little, and then you're going to click around your point. I clicked around on point F. You'll type in 120 and then make sure counterclockwise is selected and then hit OK. Continue to rotate on each side of the hexagon until each side of the hexagon has your design. It's just the same steps, 120 degrees counterclockwise all the way around. So from point one, with your second one, you'll click your pattern and then point E, 120 counterclockwise all the way around. Next, since your design is finished, you can hit File and Print. When you look at your design, see if you can see an animal or an object. In my design, I saw peacocks with feathers. If you don't see anything, you can create a new hexagon and repeat the steps with new lines to try again and see if you find something better or more impressive. I have on the left side of the screen is my design, and when you're done with your design, you're going to want to cut it out of cardboard so you can trace it easily onto another piece of paper without it ripping or tearing. You can also check your cardboard to see if your original paper can fit into the gaps, and it shows you what your tessellation will start to look like. And when you've checked it and you know that you see that it's going to work, you can begin tracing it onto your paper. When you finish tracing it, so your design covers the entire page, it's time to ink. Inking allows you to put in like your fine details that can only really be achieved using pen or really thin pencil, but I wanted to use pen so that the design was darker. When you're finished, you can start coloring. I use colored pencils, but you can use crayons or markers. After you're finished coloring your tessellation, stand back and enjoy your art that you created using math. And there's my final tessellation. Thanks for watching.